Hey, good morning. A lot of you have asked about this walkway and how easy it is. And I poured this yesterday. Hi, Asa. This is 1,000 pounds right here. Took me about 3 hours. Cost, I don't know, 30 bucks. But this is how easy it is. Come on over here. This is the mold. I've already poured, no. I've already poured one. So what you do, you pop it off. After about 5 minutes, you make sure your weed barrier is down. You put it right next to it. You mix your concrete, put it in, you wait another 5 minutes and you do it. This is 11,000 pounds of concrete. This is going to do all the way to there, and then Marta's going to pan around, and it's going to run from here all the way around the house. This entire group of concrete has cost less than $1,000, so you can do it yourself. Just needs a little time. Till tomorrow, I'll catch you on the flip side.